दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા
4.3 question number 6. The question is like that: if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, work done, and express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force this that. Actually these questions include physics, science, and it is the use of graph. In the physics you will find many graphs. Exercise 4.3 question number 6. Whatever it is written here, I am telling you, work done by an body on application of a constant force. Work done. Work done W equals to, this is the symbol, this is the symbol. You will find this in your physics book. This is called proportional. Proportional means when work done, proportional to the distance traveled by the distance D. This is the short form of work, and D for short form of distance. So when distance will be doubled, the work done will be double. When this is triple, this will be tripled. And when this is the half, this will be the half. This is called rational. Proportional, as it moves, it increases, so it is also increases. But for that you have to find an in the physics you will be taught about constant. If you want to write equal here, equation, you would have to write constant. This is work done. W is equal to constant into D. Because in class you are in class 9th, so let me tell, this constant is the weight. Suppose I lift this duster from the ground to the 5 weight, this height. So I have to work now. So the constant is here weight. If this is 5 kilogram, so this will be 5 unit of weight. So work done proportional to the distance. If I will make it 5, so I have to work. I will make it 10, so I have to double work. The same body. So this is the constant. Constant means it depends on the body to body. If we will take this body, so constant will be different. If we will take another body, and constant also depends on mass and gravity. Many things are there. When you will come, so this is the constant. Actually this is the y is equal to what I have told you. Y is equal to m and then x. M is the constant. Y is equal to 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Y is equal to 4x. So this is the 4 means constant. So similarly you are looking here, it is given constant. What given? Y equals to, constant is 5 unit. Constant force, this is the constant force 5. W is equal to 5 and multiply D. So it's just equal to the y is equal to 5x, and obviously 5 is positive. So I have told you the direction about the line. This is y mx plus c. C is not here, so means this will line pass through the origin. So for that you have to make the graph. At the place of y you will use W, at the place of x you will use D. It is given in your book. Also the read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 0 unit and t unit. So 0 means the 2 points you have to draw this graph na. So we will make axis xy axis, y axis, y axis, x axis, y axis. 1 centimeter. This is 1, 2, 3, 5. This is the 5. And 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here similarly at equal distance. In your graph paper it is given 1 centimeter you can take. So at that time no need to mark the distances, but here you have to mark. Yes, this is. So y is equal to 5x. You may have y is equal to 5x. For this you have to make the table, na? At least two value you have to find. What? One is w and this. When d is 0, at that time what is w? When w is 0, at that time what is d? Okay, now find. D is equal to 0. So 5 into w is equal to 0. When w is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0. Then 0 upon 5 means again 0. 0 upon 0 means this was our technique now. When we keep okay, this is the d for distance, and this for the w. So we take na, when d is equal to 0. Suppose when we do this, when d is equal to 0, d is equal to 0 means on the x-axis. D is equal to 0. We will not go on the. So at that time, what is w? D is equal to 0 means this. So you will get on the w. So this is called on the y-axis. Means you will get on the y-axis point intersect. When w is equal to 0, this is w is equal to 0. So at that time you find the value of d means x-axis. This is. I have told you in my first video how to draw the lines. The link is given in the description, you can see. So by chance it is 0, it is 0. So both the points are same. We have to take another point. Suppose d is equal to d is equal to 1. D is equal to 1. So w is equal to 5. Okay. So that's enough. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 2, 6, 8, 10, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, like that. Okay. So 0 comma 0 means one the point is origin. After that d is equal to 1. See, this is d is equal to 1 and w is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is. So with the help of these two lines you can draw the graph. This is just similar to the y is equal to 5x. I have told you. This is. So this is the graph. This is 1, this is 5. 5 unit work. When this is 2, this will be 10. Okay, just write here. When distance is equal to 2, work is 10 unit. So now the question is, first the question is draw the graph. Read from the graph. The work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit. When the distance travel is 2 unit, at this time work done is 10. And when the distance is 0 unit, work done is 0. When when you know this duster 0 height, so no work we do. When we keep it at a 5 height, we do 5 unit work. 1 meter. Suppose I take 1 meter, we take it is of 5 kilogram. So we work 5 unit. And after that 2 meter, 10 unit. So this is the question. So read the graph, and when the distance travel, also read the graph, the work done. So write first number work done है ना, work done when work when d is equal to 2 unit, work is equal to 10 unit. Actually the unit of the work is joule. You will learn force into distance. You will talk about this whole in class 10th 11th. The first, and when distance is equal to 0, when d is equal to 0 unit, work done is equal to 0. So this was the question. Many things you will learn about this in class 10th and class 11th. Class 11th you will find this in the whole physics, and at least 1 month will be taught this type of question, that is called mechanics in physics. Sometimes this type of mathematics will involve. I think you will find in class 10th also. So this was the question.